Mandatory network separation for residential complexes. Since the massive wall pad hacking incident in 2020, home network security is no longer an option. It's a legal necessity. However, after the implementation of the System 2, finding a technical standard tailored to complex residential environments has remained a challenge. As a result, many resorted to installing enterprise-grade security hardware in every single apartment household, an inefficient compromise. But a residential complex with thousands of units is structurally different from the network of a single enterprise. Simply, infinitely duplicating enterprise hardware for every household revealed not only the soaring construction costs, of course, but also the critical construction delays. Especially regarding the method that requires the installation of individual hardware and dedicated staff by household, the real problem begins after the construction rather than during the construction. This burden falls on everyone, rising management fees for residents and constant maintenance and repair for administrators. IPScan HomeGuard breaks these structural barriers. Instead of per-unit hardware, we use a centralized home network security architecture that implements the VLAN-based network separation directly from the telecommunication equipment room and the MDF room inside the estate. This eliminates the need to install a separate security device in every individual home. Through this, construction is simplified, and points of failure are minimized. Security becomes stronger, while operations become remarkably efficient. Already, the large estate newly constructed apartments, of the size of thousands of households nationwide, selected the IPScan HomeGuard. And this trust is rapidly spreading to the pre-existent apartment estates too. We offer builders cost saving by going beyond legal duty compliance, and residents a flawless security environment, all without the need for expert manpower. Validated by national certifications and exclusive patents, IPScan HomeGuard is setting the standard for home network security in Korea by going beyond the simple products. A new standard for apartment home network security. Change the architecture. Find the answer. The ultimate solution for network separation among the households. IPScan HomeGuard.